Make a U-turn in 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yep. Well, it's been a while. I've been pretty busy with a lot of things, actually. More work than I'd like, and not enough MG work. Steering rack is in. Old one is over here. I'm about to throw it away. If nobody wants it, I'm going to give it one more week and just toss it. I've done no more other work on here. That's a hint. And I pulled down a bunch of the stuff I had in the attic, including Fiat parts. I'm going to go on Facebook or eBay for $1. Bought a whole bunch of Volvo parts. I'm getting ready to do MGA windshield wiper motor transfers and so forth. You can see that I've got a lot of stuff here that I've sifted through. So JP, the gentleman that sold me my coupe, also gave me the complete parts list and kit of everything I'm ever going to need, to include stuff that I've got a couple of already. So I've also gone through my attic to find MGA Roadster parts that I no longer need because I've sold the Roadster. I have a P1800, my daily driver, and a coupe left. So what is this? This is carpet. I'll be doing carpet. I sound like a kindergarten teacher. This is carpet. I'm going to be doing the carpet myself. I've got, where did I put that stuff? I bought a whole bunch of vinyl, leatherette, or whatever you want to call it, as binding. So I'll get to work on that. I want to do the binding on the inside of the car, the carpet here, so I can start hanging stuff from it. Oh, that came down. That's not good. So I can start hanging stuff from it, and windshield wipers and the motor, etc., all kinds of crap. What's in the leftover boxes? So, I am at the moment de-rustifying one of these things. I forgot that I bought that for the Roadster, so I'll probably give that to the guy that bought it, as well as a bunch of stuff that's going to go back up in my attic. There's my list. I've hung my engine hoist out of the way so I can, have more room. What else have I done? Again, sifted all kinds of stuff as to what I'm going to be needing. For example, electrical parts, floorboard fasteners, taillight bases, a couple of what do you call it? I'm gonna sneeze. Hang on a sec. Ignition keys, e-brake, filters. I mean, all kinds of stuff I'm going to be going through and putting together and making nice and stripping and so forth. So I have a lot of work to still do to kind of clear myself out. I've got these little puppies for sale. Sneeze again. One sec. And otherwise, get rid of parts. So I'm trying to sell stuff as cheaply as I possibly can because I don't need these things, and a lot of the stuff I bought is new and I've never used and probably never will. So oil pan pickups and oil stuff, and there's a dog leg repair I've got for sale that somebody hasn't claimed yet. Got an MGB dog leg for sale that somebody's supposed to claim, etc., etc. So this won't be a very long video, but yeah, I've got other stuff I've got to get done. Volvo, I'm going to take up to DC, get that fixed. It's running, but barely, and then I can finally get back to this. Finally.